Oh! That landed right on the screen.
Man down.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while, but we have a special thing for you today. Well, for me, but for you too. Look what we're doing today. What you got, Josh?
A big black shaft.
A big black shaft. You know what that's going in? It's going in the Jeep. She doesn't have a name anymore. It used to be Vader, but not anymore. Anyways, come with us on our adventure as we put these shafts in, and you'll see why here in a minute. Okay, so we're under the Jeep today, replacing those drive shafts. Here's why. A while ago, I was driving around and I started hearing the famous clickety-clacky noise coming from underneath the Jeep. And on these JKs, they have constant velocity style drive shafts. And what had happened was the constant velocity portion of that drive shaft, which is mainly the front one, this guy right here, went bad. I don't know, you can imagine those go bad, okay? So I said screw it, and I just took it out. So now I haven't had a front drive shaft for probably how long now? Probably a couple months, month or two. And instead of buying this stupid, really bad design drive shaft, we're gonna do the original U-joint style from Rough Country. I know everyone say, hey, you should get an Adams drive shaft, you should do this, do that. You know what? We have an account through Rough Country, so I'm gonna buy from Rough Country because hell, there's a warranty on it. So these are what we put in. This is the front drive shaft here. So we're gonna put the front one. It came with new yokes because this style is different from that style, and you have to change the yokes out on the dip. So that's what we're gonna do today. So let's get started. Okay, so Josh says we need to do this one first.
We need to, I said.
Yeah, we need to. Have to. Okay. Wow, what a hitter here. Oh, this is from Crown King. Okay. This is all from Crown King, pretty sure.
That's not darker.
So this is what I'm talking about here. See these CV style? These are garbage. You should never use them. We're gonna get rid of those today and put on those nice, brand new, never used drive shafts.
We got it off with a couple taps of the hammer.
With the hammer?
Hammer.
Not the lighted hammer? Really heavy hammer?
What the
ratcheting hammer?
Yeah.
Really expensive torquey hammer? Okay, so this gets swapped out for one of the new ones.
No, that one? This one. It's your second grade handwriting on it.
Wait, front.
Oh, that's the other one.
Yeah, it's the other one.
JKLL, not that one.
There you go. They look identical.
Yeah, probably they are. Let's stick it in.
Yeah, new shaft. That went right in. Like it was meant to be there. This one shouldn't be that bad because this doesn't have a pinion. This is just a chain. All right, here we go. I think that's fine. It's that one we gotta worry about.
Yeah.
Because this doesn't have a pinion.
Cool, so that's it.
Well, we just had to make sure that was tight. And it is past it, and it is spinning.
Because in the end, the marks didn't mean anything anyways.
Just on this one.
On the transfer case?
Yeah, that's where it's gonna matter. We have to make sure those are right. All right, speaking of which, we need to move to the front now. Yeah, I got a front drive shaft, guys, look at that. Nice one. Nice.
Shooter full of grease? Or after?
We do it now.
Maybe?
Maybe. Oh! That landed right on the screen.
Man down. Nothing's cracked, we're good.
That was yours.
Oh damn. Out of all the tools I thought you would grab, didn't think it was gonna be that one. It's been worth things.
I agree. As long as it takes this grease.
I'm telling you, you're gonna have some grease slinging around under here.
Yeah, because when it goes down, it's gonna. This guy back on.
That one?
Yep. Might as well, otherwise we gotta do it right at the end. We don't want to do that. So.
Hey. Oh.
Alright, here we go. Bring on the ear destroyer 5000. Alright. Alright, what's your next option? Is that bright, guys? Oh, I'm excited. Look at that. The way it should be. It's sad when Josh has a better front drive shaft than I do. You know? Because he was smart and got rid of the CV on his. Now, what needs to happen is his axles need to be converted to U-joint style. Because on the WJs, there's CV axles in the front. Yeah.
I need a quarter. Do you have a quarter? 3/8 to a quarter?
3/8 to a quarter. Begins. Me for the rescue. Oh, yeah, there we go. I'll just spin her. Oh, he almost lost it. Wow, those are tight. I was the last one to take this off. Yep. I'm grabbing the wrong thing. Look at that.
Exactly how I thought it would work.
Yeah. He's a good catcher.
What?
Okay, get rid of this dang thing right here. Both of them.
First two.
All right, this one's off.
It's just like the front one.
Hey, we should do a transition. You ready? I'm gonna throw this up and you hand me the other one. Put it in my hand when I throw it up. Ready? That was terrible.
Is that not what you meant? Did I not do a good job?
You did all right.
Stick it in, Poppy. Wow. It's your first time, huh? Well, perfect, perfect. Look at
You know, Josh, I like that you're coming out of your shell with this stuff.
Of what?
Because I know they're a little shy. I'm still shy doing this stuff.
Oh, no,
You know,
that still
being
feels goofy.
No. Yes, but it's funny, goofy, and I like it. I like this guy. He's really cool.
Yep.
Is this seal leaking again?
No. It's fine.
Maybe. Okay.
Maybe I'll switcheroo. The whole GoPro'd up. The Saturday afternoon.
Oh, I didn't mark this one.
Oh, but did it make a difference last time?
No, but it's always good practice.
I need an adult. Will you
Which one would you like?
do something with that one?
Yeah.
That's why when you make the other type of jokes.
Cool. Done with that one. Need this. Let's go. Wow, that went right in. Camera's in the way again. Sorry, guys. There you go. It's tight.
All right, go grab Big Black.
I think Josh likes to mess with me.
Why would you say that?
Because are you even really friend if you don't?
You don't mess with people you don't like?
Sure.
Is that their team?
This is teamwork. Oh God. My fingers. I don't know how people do this and run a camera at the same time. This is crazy. I can't concentrate on both. I have ADHD. It's too much. Yeah. There we go. There we are. Righto.
Okay. Okay.
Well, there you have it, guys. Front and rear drive shafts from Rough Country installed on the JK. These are great. My old drive shaft, that super thick one, used to just sit there and rub on this at full extension, and I have a whole bunch of room right there. Nice, brand new, all greased up. Tell me what you guys think. Sure. Oh yeah. We got four-wheel drive, ladies and gentlemen. Woot woot. All right. I'm excited. Yeah. It works. See how she does at 70 on the freeway.
Yeah.
Hopefully she doesn't vibrate herself loose. That was cool. I'm excited to have 4-wheel drive again. So now we can hit up the new Telegraph. Well, it's not new. It's almost a year that they opened it. So
New to us.
New to us. So if those who don't know, in Arizona they only have 3 Badge of Honor trails. One was Table Mesa Road, the other was Schnebley Hill, and the third was back way to Crown King. Last year they got rid of Table Mesa because honestly it's really not that hard to get that badge. They took it away, so that left 2. But then they opened up Telegraph Line, something like that.
Something like that.
So there's only a select amount of Jeepers out there that have the Table Mesa Road and the Telegraph. So there's 4 badges, but there's technically only 3 trails. So we have Table Mesa, and we're gonna go do Telegraph. So we got to go do that.
At some point.
It's over 100 right now, and we're in May. So, and this is our what, 3rd day of being 100 so far this year.
Yeah.
So I think once you hit 100, yeah, once you hit 100 in May, it's over. You know it's going to be over 100 when it's 98 degrees in the morning, and it was about 95 this morning when we were searching for a car. So
yeah.
we knew it was going to be toasty today. It's about 100, 102 right now. Yeah, well, we're just gonna close up here and head home. Thanks, Josh, for staying on a day you didn't have to.
I was already here, so it's fine.
Yeah, as you can see, I wasn't here. He was already here. So, anyways, there's drive shafts on the Jeep. Not that hard to do,
Nope.
as long as you have the right parts.
Tools.
And tool and the know-how. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, for sure.
A little bit of all of that.
If you like what you guys watch, please like, comment, subscribe down at the bottom. I'll leave a link to the parts that I purchased, and we'll catch you guys on the next video. Have a great weekend. Bye.